Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see question number 9. State which of the following situations are possible and give an example for each of these. First bit is an object with a constant acceleration but with zero velocity. See the first situation. Here the object is with constant acceleration. That means for this A bit, when an object is thrown upwards, at this highest moment, for example here you can take this point as A. At A, the object comes to rest for a moment, that is called momentary rest. At this point, here there is an acceleration which acts on it, that is what here gravitational pull. So it has acceleration, but at this point the velocity is zero. That is the reason it changes its path, again it will be coming down. So this is what here it has constant acceleration, that is what gravitational pull of the earth, whereas at this point it has no velocity, that is zero velocity. Now we see B bit. An object moving with an acceleration but with uniform speed. So here the best example is freely falling object. Freely falling object. For example, we can say dry leaf, which comes out of a tree. So that is an object with an acceleration. It has an acceleration but with uniform speed. Now here let us see C bit now. Let us see C bit. An object moving in a certain direction with an acceleration that is perpendicular to the direction. For example here an object is thrown in this direction. So here we can say that the object is thrown in horizontal direction, or we can say forward direction. This is horizontal or forward. That means here you see the object moves in the forward direction or horizontal direction, whereas the acceleration due to gravity, it acts towards the earth. That means here you see the motion is towards the x-axis like this and the acceleration is towards downward. So both are perpendicular to each other 90 degrees. So in this case the object moving in a certain direction with an acceleration that is perpendicular to the direction. So this is the answer for the C bit. Now we see question number 10. An artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42,250 km. Now the question is that calculate its speed if it takes 24 hours to revolve around the earth. So here the artificial satellite, its path is already circular path, it is given. So it's like a circle whose radius is 42,250 kilometers. Now it takes 24 hours time to revolve around the earth. Now here in order to find the speed, the formula for speed is distance travelled divided by time taken. Now here we need to find the distance travelled. For example, here let us take the starting position as A. Again we need to find the distance travelled by it to complete a round, means again to reach A. As this path is circular, the distance is nothing but circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r. So let us write distance travelled is nothing but circumference of the circle. We can take it as 2 pi r divided by time taken. It is given as 24 hours. As we know, the value of pi is 3.14. So let us write 2 as it is. Pi is 3.14 into radius is 42,250 kilometer. 42,250 kilometer divided by 24 hours. Here I am converting 24 hours into seconds. So each hour has 60 minutes. Each minute has 60 seconds. So 24 hours nothing but 24 into 60 into 60 seconds. Now here let us do simplification. Let us cancel 0 and 0. Now this is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now here these two numbers let us cancel with 5. This is 5 12s are 60. It is 5 8s are 40. 2 is carry forward 22. 5 4s are 22 is carry forward 25. So 5 5s are. Now here we get 3.14 into 845 divided by 24 into 12 into 3. Now here let us cancel 3.14 with 3. 3 1s are 3. It is 3 1s are 3. Let us write the point as it is. As the next number is smaller, we can write 0, that is 14. Here you see. Since it is 14, if you take 3 4s are 12, the difference is 2. 3 5s are 15, difference is only 1. So let us write around approximately 3 5s are 15. So it is 3 into 1.05. I am taking as 3.14. Here you just follow it carefully. It is 14. So here I am taking around 315 jar because to make the simplification easier. Now let us multiply 1.05 into 845. 845 into 1.05. So without decimal I am writing 105. Now here I am multiplying. 5 5 are 25. Here 2 is carry forward. 5 5 are 20 plus 2 22. Again 2 is carry forward. 5 8 are 40 plus 2 42. When you multiply with 0, all the 3 zeros will come. Here 1 into 845 is 845. Now here this is 5 2 5 plus 2 is 7. This is 8. This is 8. Since it is 1.05, after point here 2 values are there, 2 digits are there. Here also we should maintain after decimal 2 digits should be there. So it is 887.25. 1.05 into 845 is, if we multiply these two, we get here 887.25 divided by 24 into 12. 24 2s are 48. 4 is carry forward. 24 1s are 24. That 4 is 28. So 288. Now let us divide this value with 288. So here 887.25 I would like to divide with 288. Let us see 288 3s are 3 8s are 24. 2 is carry forward. 3 8s are 24 plus 2 26. 2 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. So on subtraction we get here 3. Here it is 2. Let us drop here. This 2 will come. So that we will keep the decimal point here. Now the next value. 288 1s are 288 which is bigger. So we will take 288 zeros are 0. So again 232 will come as it is because of okay. Now here this 5 can be dropped down here. Now 288 8s are 8 8s are 64, 6 is there, 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 6 is 54, 8 8s are 64, 6 is there, 8 8s are 64 again, 64 plus 6, 64 plus 4, 8 8s are here 64, so 6 is carry forward, 8 8s are 64 plus 6 is 70, so here 7 is carry forward, 8 2s are 16 plus 7 is 23, so on subtraction here you will get this is 1 and this is 2, because this point here 0 will come. Okay, we can stop here now. So here we get 3.08 kilometer per second, 3.08 kilometer per second. But here according to the textbook answer, if you think here I increased this value by 1, actually here it was 14, but we made it as 3 5s are 15. That 0.01 is increased, that can be subtracted here, so it will be 3.08 will become 7 kilometer per second. Now let us maintain this small gap so that we see the question of here. Calculate its speed, therefore its speed is 3.07 kilometers per 1 second. So here with this problem number 10 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.